The time to make money on Tron is right now. This is like if you were getting early access to Pump One before it even took off. And today I'm going to show you guys how to use the best bot with the lowest gas fee. So that means you're going to be saving more money, and how to turn $100 to $1,000 almost every single day. Once again, this is not financial advice, but I want to give you guys the best tools to actually do that. Link is down below so you guys can get started. But I'm going to give you guys step-by-step information on how you get your money in here and then how do you start trading. Of course, we will have more in-depth videos on what are the best coins to buy, how can you spot them, and all that good stuff. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you're going to need, guys, is you are going to need to get some Tron. It's very similar to Solana, so you're going to want to make sure you get that. So first thing you either need, USD or you need Solana. And what you want to do is you want to convert that Solana and you want to convert that USD to Tron. So how do you do that? In order to do that, first you're going to need to get yourself a Tron wallet. Currently, right now, the Tron wallet everybody has been using, and the one I found to be the best, which is TronLink. Now, TronLink is a wallet that you're able to not only download on your phone, but you're also able to download it on your browser. And yes, it does come in iOS. All you got to do is click install, and that will tell you whether you want to download it on Android, iOS, or external device. Once you load it in and you download the app or you download the extension, you're then going to create your wallet. Of course, it's going to give you a passkey. Once you have that passkey, you're going to make sure to save that in a very nice spot where no one can see it. Only you know where it's at, but you want to make sure you save it. And once that's completely saved, you're then able to use your wallet. And once you have your wallet, the next step is to be able to transfer USD, Solana, Ethereum, whatever currency you have into the Tron network. Now, the best application I found to do so is the following. Now, of course, if you are in an exchange that has a Tron, you're able to purchase it from there. But the best one I currently found that allows you to transfer from multiple chains is Rubik. Now, Rubik is a very good platform because it automatically allows you to connect your wallet directly into, so if your TronLink, it'll let you connect your TronLink wallet directly into the app, so you can convert the tokens. But you're able to convert from multiple chains. So if you want to convert not Solana into TRX, you can easily do it through this this swap option, or you can just go ahead and click where it says Launchpad, and that's going to take you to a Launchpad. And this is where you could either connect your wallet if you have your token. So you could select the token here. As you see, it has Ethereum, it has BNB, it has Base, Solana, Blast, pretty much has all the tokens you kind of like want to use, all the more popular ones. So you're going to be able to transfer from here to the actual token. And I have a video going over that. So once you guys select your token for some video purpose, let's do Solana here. We're going to click Solana. You can click the Solana exchange right here. We're going to select the token. We're going to select Tron right here. And once we have Tron selected, it's going to go here. And all we got to do is enter the amount of Solana we want to convert. That's going to be 10. It's going to calculate the provider, and it's going to tell you the best fee for that provider. You're going to go ahead and enter your receiving address, and you're also going to go ahead and enter your wallet address. So basically, your TronLink address will go right here. Okay, Tron Wallet wallet was going to go here. The Tron Wallet address will go here, and then this is going to give you a wallet address that you're going to copy, and then you're going to paste that into your Tron wallet. And then it's going to go ahead and start transferring over there. So I'll leave a link to all those platforms right there so you guys can go ahead and get access to that. Now, once you have that ready to go, let's go back to BullX and talk what else you're going to need to do. All right, so now that we are on BullX, we're going to go to this icon right here where it says Wallet Manager. Okay, we're going to click here. And this Wallet Manager is going to have a wallet that you're going to be able to use to be able to have it in your inventory. What you're going to want to do is you're going to click right here. You're going to go to copy wallet address, and then you're going to go to your TronLink. You're going to paste that wallet address and send the Tron to your BullX, and that will show you, that will then deposit whatever Tron amount of money you have into your BullX wallet. Now, you could go ahead and create an additional wallet if you want to, buy with multiple wallets. I'll have more in-depth videos for that. But overall, in general, you guys are ready to go and start trading on BullX. So now that you're trading on BullX, there are two main things that you want to do. Number one is you want to trade for more stable coins. You're going to go ahead and click where it says the Explore feature, And then you're going to want to filter these based on volume. Again, I will have guides on what are the best things for the Explorer and the Tron Vision, but this kind of leaves the overview of how you're able to trade with this bot effectively. I'm going to give you guys a quick overview of how everything is done, but then I will have a more in-depth video, so make sure you guys subscribe for that. So what we're doing here, guys, is we have two different tabs. We have the Explore tab, and we have the New Pairs tab. Basically, the New Pairs tab are things that are being created in the network. The trending one is the one that's a little bit more important because you can actually filter these by 24 hours, by 6 hours to see what's actually getting volume at the current moment, and what you could probably, dip your toes in and see if you could ride the wave. For example, as you see right, this one got created 3 days ago, and you can filter this if you want like 1 week ago, which is a little bit newer ones, or 1 day ago, 52 minutes ago. You can see which are the ones that are trending for that particular hour to say, okay, you know what, this one looks pretty interesting. I think I'm gonna get my feet wet on this one. So that is the trending pair, and you can set this by 1 hour. You can set this by 5 minutes, 1 minute, 1 hour to see which ones are the ones that are actually getting a lot of traction. These are actually pretty good because trending means that they're getting a lot of volume, and of course you can set what you want to make sure. So if they're verified, not verified, if they're a honeypot, not a honeypot. You can even set a quick buy button. So if you see one that you like, you can easily click quick buy, and that will allow you to do that. So we're going to go over that. The next thing is you have the Tron Vision, which is going to be what is going to make your life easier when trading these coins. Instead of going to sunpump, you're easily just going to come to Tron Vision and go to these 3 columns and see the ones that are newly being created, the ones that are about to graduate, and then you'll be able to see the ones that have actually graduated already to see if you can get into this. Of course, I will have a video of adding filters to each and every one of them so you get your hands on the best ones to be able to get yourself some nice little profit. Now, in addition to that, guys, you also have automation, which we will have a separate video on this, and this is pretty much going to tell you what buy limits and sell limits you actually have for each token. I'll go over that a little bit. You have your portfolio. As you see here, guys, very clean portfolio to look at right here. It'll tell you your trading activity. It'll also tell you your results. And for video purposes, I just bought one and sold real fast just to see if it actually is working. So it's working 100%. You have a brand new thing called Multichart, which is amazing, which you're going to be able to put different charts of different tokens in here. So for example, if I wanted to add another token, so for example, let's say I wanted to add this woo woo, you're going to be able to add this one, and you're going to be able to see it here. And you can easily just click where it says terminal, and that's going to take you directly into the option to be able to purchase this. So really, really cool. One thing I'm going to talk to the team if they can add a quick buy button up here to be able to, since you're kind of viewing these and you see a really good dip, you can just click buy and that will automatically buy it for you. That would be a very, very nice option if they added that there. So I will talk to the team and see if they're able to add that. Another thing that I wanted to talk about, guys, is the customization feature. There is a brand new customization feature that allows you to change the color themes. Currently, right now, there's only 2. There's green, and of course, you have this blue one that will turn the layout to blue. And we're going to change that to over here. And this is going to be mostly for eye-catching purposes right here. So this is actually a pretty good buy here for the Boo Boo. The next thing you're going to have is settings. Now, for settings, guys, you're going to be able to set your quick buy presets right here. So you can say how much you actually want to buy on all chains, or how much you want to buy in this particular. This is going to be on dollar values here. Currently, right now, it is not on Tron values. So let's say we want to buy $50 worth, and that will automatically save it. So now the quick buy presets are going to be there as well. And then we have our buy buttons, which are based on Tron, or you can go ahead and say how much you want to buy. So you want to buy 100 Tron, 500 Tron, pretty much equivalent to whatever amount of money you want to buy. I think 400 is about $70. So you can set this to, this could be your 70, or 500, I think it's $75. You can set that in any amount, and that's going to save it and update it. And then you can also have your different sell presets of 25, 50, 70, 75, and 100% of whatever you put in. So that is how you have that set up. Now, in addition to that, guys, when we go to the terminal, this is where we get more stuff and more information, which I will have a detailed guide on. And the way this is going to work is the following way, okay? So if you guys have your buy and your sell, so whenever you want to buy, you can set the amount. As we already set our buttons, we can set how much we want to buy for that particular token. This P2, P3, these are going to be presets that you're going to be able to apply. So your defaults are going to be, depending on how much slippage you want, and we could easily go into this one and check it out. So we can click here, and this will show you the default presets, how much slippage you have, priority settings, auto approval, and multi-wallet ordering amount variation. So if you want different splits for different wallets. I will have a different video on this BullX hyper routing here as well, so you guys can know exactly how that works. And of course, you have your sell, and both of these have a brand new thing called buy, market, limit, and DCA. So the way this works is you're going to be able to put a limit. So you want to say, you know what, I actually want to buy right here. If this drops to 170, or like 160, I want to go ahead and be able to buy. Let's say I want to buy 5,000, right? So we're gonna put right there 5,000, and it's gonna apply that there, so you can have that ready to buy. Right now, I didn't apply it because I don't have enough Tron right now, but it's gonna be able to do that. Okay. Now, in addition to that, you could also put a DCA. So if you want to say, you know what, I want it to DCA whenever it hits this particular amount, and you could either set this to every hour, how much often you want, if you wanted to add days, hours, minutes, and seconds. So you'll be able to place your order. Now you could actually route the wallets if you want to, or you could put a range of market cap. So you could say, you know what, I want a DCA between this range and this range, which is amazing, guys. Okay, so if you, it's really, really cool the way this has worked. So like, let's say for this one, I want to say, you know what, I think this is going to drop to like 150, right? But I want to, say like if it drops between 150 and 160, I want to be able to DCA. And then you're able to say, can you do this every so often? If it dips this here, right? That is a really cool feature that came out with the new BullX, which is really dope. And then you're able to do this in sell too. So if you want to say, you know what, I want to DCA out sells, I want to make sure that I'm selling when it gets here. I want to sell this amount. You're able to do that as well here in this chart. Now, in addition to that, you could also have default advanced orders, which are going to be able to, you're going to be able to do this, and these are going to be auto filtered for you guys, and we'll have a separate video for that as well. Personally, guys, there is not a better bot right now to trade on Tron. This is the best one. You'll be able to track your trades. You'll be able to track your orders. You'll be able to see the holder count. You'll be able to see the top traders as well. Let me actually bring this a little bit, and you'll be able to see your history. So how much you sold, how much you bought, and what is a good token to actually get into. So a lot of really cool things. Now, you're also able to share anything that you do. So wherever you do the P&L, you'll be able to pop up your BullX and flex it and just copy it. And that image will be able to be shown to everybody to see, how well you're actually doing and, how much you've invested and how much you actually profit from your investment, which is really, really cool. So there you guys have it. That is how you use the best bot currently right now for Tron. If you have any questions about all the stuff I went through, I know it's a lot of information. Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you want to get access to this bot, hit the link down below so you guys can get access to the bot right now. Thank you guys for watching, fellas, and I will see you guys on the next one. Happy printing.